Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be reviewing the new Midnight Mascara by Baby Bat Beauty. It is what I'm wearing on my eyes today. I did a first impressions video, which I will link down below. This retails for $10.99 US and can be purchased from the Baby Bat Beauty website. You can use my discount code TASHA20 for 20% off. This mascara is said to be lengthening, thickening, and waterproof. This is what the packaging looks like. It's super simple. That is the wand. It is a bigger wand. I actually really love this mascara. I definitely find that it's a mascara that I can wear on its own, which very few mascaras I can do that with. Usually I have to pair more than one, but this one is one I can use on its own. I can only imagine how good this mascara would work with falsies, but personally I don't wear falsies, so I can't attest to that. What I can attest to is how good this makes my lashes look, especially just using like one coat or two coats. I definitely find that I don't need more than that. It definitely lives up to the claims of being lengthening and thickening, because I usually have lashes that are not that visible, so as soon as I apply this mascara they look pretty damn good. The price is also pretty good for an indie brand mascara, I'd say. They're cruelty-free and vegan, which is definitely important to me. I can't attest if it's waterproof or not, but it doesn't run for me, so I would say that it is decently waterproof because I have pretty runny eyes. Overall, I would definitely recommend this mascara. This definitely lives up to the hype for me. I am honestly just stoked that Baby Bat Beauty is coming out with more products. Yeah, this is definitely my favorite mascara of the month. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll answer to the best of my abilities, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.